What happens after an accusation of police brutality? Imagine standing in a room where your words and evidence start a process that could change everything. When someone accuses a police officer of brutality, it kicks off a series of steps designed to find out what really happened. First, the person making the claim usually files a formal complaint with the police department's Internal Affairs Division or a civilian oversight agency. This complaint is the starting point and prompts an internal investigation. During this process, investigators look at body camera footage, talk to witnesses, and review police reports. The officer accused might be placed on administrative leave to prevent any interference with the investigation. Both sides gather evidence: photos of injuries, medical records, recordings of emergency calls, and reports. It's important for the person making the complaint to document everything quickly after the incident. If the case involves serious misconduct like excessive force that caused injury, it might be sent to an independent prosecutor or a special law enforcement unit for criminal investigation. This step helps ensure fairness and impartiality. The victim can also choose to file a civil lawsuit against the police department or individual officers. This kind of lawsuit aims to get compensation for injuries and can push for policy changes. The legal process involves submitting formal claims, sharing evidence, and possibly attending court hearings or trials. Officers or departments may argue their actions were lawful or deny the allegations. Having a lawyer is very helpful here to navigate the complex legal steps. Depending on what the investigation finds, several outcomes are possible. The complaint might be dismissed if there isn't enough evidence. Officers could face disciplinary actions like suspension or even termination. Criminal charges might be filed if misconduct is proven. Civil courts could order the police to pay damages or implement reforms. Sometimes, parties settle outside of court to avoid lengthy trials. If the person accused of wrongdoing faces criminal charges, evidence of police brutality can sometimes lead to those charges being reduced or dropped. Courts may decide that the arrest or evidence collection was unlawful, which can affect the case against the accused. Throughout this process, victims have the right to legal counsel and to remain silent during police questioning. Knowing these rights helps protect individuals from further harm or unfair treatment. There are also strict deadlines for filing complaints or lawsuits, often within a few months of the incident. Missing these deadlines can mean losing the chance to seek justice. That's why acting quickly and understanding the process is so important. Being aware of what happens after an accusation of police brutality helps individuals stand up for their rights and seek accountability. Keeping good records, getting legal advice, and knowing procedural rules are key to navigating this challenging journey.